I usually start organizing my garden in April, but this year it was very late due to weather and I started in May. In this video I will be sharing my garden refresh journey from May till July. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and enjoying your summer so far. And if you're new, my name is Shule. If you love decorating your home, but you need some inspiration to take your home to the next level on a budget, you will definitely love my channel. I hope you subscribe before you go. I refreshed all my pots with coordinating colors. If you've been with me for a while, you know that I always use pink and purples as well as white in my garden, and red is definitely not allowed. I know some designers use red and purple and pink as a clash, but I really don't like it. You will see how all my hard work been paid off in July. And here's how it's looking in July. These pots are from TK Maxx, and last year, I don't know if you remember, I spray painted them into this color. Even though color is gorgeous, it really doesn't go with the brick wall against, so I decided to paint them back to my raised wall color. And this is a fresh paint from B&Q. They mixed it for me, and I will be using the same color to refresh my walls. And the coverage is really good, and I only needed 2 coats. Some of the pots are done. Let's have a look at the condition of my garden. New hydrangeas, supposedly extra small size. I need to wash the garden furniture, and I bought this gorgeous ornament, should I say ornament, for garden from TK Maxx, and it was $19.99. One Sunday I just pruned the whole garden, and it really needed. We had some suns occasionally, but we had a lot of rains in between, so it was really difficult, and it was a long journey. But it was definitely well worth it, because all my hard work paid off in July. I removed the dead plants from this section, and I need to rearrange it. After the pruning, I had to tackle with the slabs as well as washing the garden furniture. Sorry for the vertical view, but this is how my garden is looking after the cleaning operation. Had to repair my raised wall and used stain killer for rust coming through, and then I painted it. To replace a dead plant, I used this beautiful clematis that I never seen before, and it was $12.99. My roses are in full bloom and they are from the same garden center. Let me show you around, then we are going to decorate my table together. I ran out of time when I was doing this section, and I didn't have any time to buy white gravel that it needed. When I was recording this section of the video, we were having heat wave and all my plants were showing the side effects of heat wave. This is my husband's shady corner. He loves sitting here. We bought this house 6 years ago. It was a newly built and there was literally nothing, and I had to design and got the garden made from scratch and planted everything except this tree, and next to it I planted this gorgeous cherry tree, and this year it gifted me loads and loads of cherries. This is a makeshift water for birds. My pots are doing extremely well and I have to water it on a daily basis. This is my overgrown herb garden, and this one is thyme, and I have some mint as well, trying to survive in between. Not entirely happy with these pots because I bought these lobelias as trailing plants, but nothing is trailing so far, so I'm not happy with these arrangements. My jasmine is having its best year and it filled my garden with gorgeous scents. This has been recorded on another week, so my flowers, clematis flowers, are gone, but my hostas are doing great. behind the pots I have my fern plants, and they are doing really good as well. And look at my hydrangea, really big now, but it still hasn't flowered. And now that I'm in Turkey, I don't know how they are doing. There was a bare patch between these two hebes, giant hebes, and I planted some geraniums as well as lavender. Both have beautiful flowers. Bees love these flowers, and they are perfectly coordinating with my raised beds. These cushions are from HomeSense, and it was definitely love at first sight. My style, my colors, tropical pattern. They had to come home with me. These candle holders are from Home Bargains, and the candles that I will place inside are solar ones, and they are from B&M. I'm just going to do a centerpiece to finish off my garden. The theme is tropical, and when I was doing this, it was 31 degrees, definitely tropical temperatures. And these IKEA cactus plants that I spray painted coordinates perfectly with my cushions. These solar lights are from B&M, and I'm going to place them under the tree. And here's the reveal. Are you ready? prepared a playlist of my garden videos for you. Go get yourself a drink and enjoy the journey. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it inspirational for your own outdoor spaces. I am currently in Turkey enjoying my summer with my family and friends. I have more videos coming to your way, but life is busier here for some reason, so please bear with me, and I will see you in the playlist. Until then, bye bye.